Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina. I hope everybody's having a great Tuesday. I have some paintings here to show you from the auction. One of these is double-sided adhesive, I think. We'll find out. Please like, share, and subscribe, and welcome to all my new subscribers. We're getting close to that 500, y'all. I don't know if I'll get to all these, depending on the time, but I have a lot of snack sizes also. Okay, this one they started, and it is a 30 by 25. It is a Van Gogh. Is it Starry 9 or something like that? But they have the parchment paper on here, and they've done this section. So, but the snack size, and there's the drills. Standard boat, plain wax pen, baggies, and a 4-placer, and two plates of wax. That was in the bag. All right, let's take this one out. Hold on, y'all. Okay. These drills that I just showed you is for this canvas. And I don't know where the drills are for Starry Night. They might be in another bag. Alright. But this has been started. It's a 30 by 40. How's everybody's day going? Got a roast cooking in my crock pot, y'all. Ooh, it smells so good. I'm outside though. This one has been started, and there's a nasty hair on it. But yeah, this one's been started. Has craters. It's gonna have to sit under my mattress for a while. Anybody knows what this lady is, let me know. She's got a kitty cat tail and some ears. Hopefully you can see that. 30 by 40. It's been started down here at the bottom. You can see 20 colors, random uppercase alphabets. Like I said, that's her colors. So, let me see what it says on here. Is it Nezuko painting? I don't know. If y'all know, let me know. She's pretty. These are going to have to go under my mattress. All right. And this one. It's a dinosaur painting. This will also go under my mattress. Y'all, if you haven't tried that, it works amazing. If you want some canvases flattened, throw it under your mattress. Leave it for a while. And it flattens right on out. paint, y'all. 30 by 40. 28 colors. 1's a 1, 2's a 2, all the way to 8's an 8 and 9 through 26 separate case alphabets, A through Z, and then 27 and 28 is symbols. I hope y'all can see that. Isn't that cute? Please tell me you can see it. I have a reflection. And here's the drills. So those will go under my mattress. And fold this Van Gogh. Because little does he know, but it's going under my mattress too. I've never done a Van Gogh Starry Night. Have y'all? This is a square. I think the drills are inside, like I said. Alright. How are we doing on time? Alright, I'll do a few of these. Let's see. I may not get to all 6, but ready. 20 by 30. 17 colors, random uppercase alphabets. This is a pretty peacock. Very cute. Drill field. And the thumbnail. Sorry, I didn't show y'all the drill field on this dino. And the thumbnail. And the drill field on the cat girl. And her thumbnail. Sorry, y'all. Alright. Here is Standard Boat Play-Doh Wax pen. And those pretty colors. And a pretty peacock. Sometimes you just need a little snack size and take a break from all the big ones. Okay. Let's see what this is. 20 by 30. Sixteen colors, random uppercase alphabet. The stick is very good. Alright. There we go. Little snack size. Drill field. And the thumbnail. Standard Boat Play-Doh Wax pen. And the trails. How are we doing on time, y'all? 10 minutes. We'll do one more. We'll do this one. By 30, 16 colors, random uppercase alphabet. If you love green, you're gonna love this one. Look at that. Hopefully you can see. Drill field, thumbnail, and boat Play-Doh wax pen, and the colors. All right. There we go. Let's just do it. Let's just do all three. Let's just do it. $20 by 30. 15 colors, random uppercase alphabets. Cute drill field and the thumbnail. Standard boat Play-Doh wax pen. I'm hoping I'm getting this in the shot, y'all. I can't see. $20 by 25, 16 colors, random uppercase alphabet. And there we go. Drill field. Thumbnail. And the stick is good. And the colors. Alright, and the last one, y'all. So 20 by 30. Sixteen colors, random uppercase alphabet. Pretty. I hope you can see it. The stick is good. Standard boat Play-Doh wax pen. And look at these pretty pinks. So pretty. Alright, my friends, that's what I have for you. Please let me know your thoughts. Let me know what your favorite is. Please like, share, and subscribe. It is helping my channel. You're getting there, and then I'll do the blessing box or a $25 gift card once I reach 500 subscribers. But you have to be subscribed in order to win. So, y'all, help me out. Alright, my friends, I love you all. You all stay safe, stay blessed, stay hydrated, stay warm or cool, and say your blessings. Say your prayers, because He's listening and He will bless you. Alright, my friends, I love you all, and I will talk to you tomorrow. We'll see what we can get into. Alright, love you all. God bless. Bye-bye.